Hey guys, welcome to rhinotutorial.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the basic commands in Rhino. That is how to move, rotate, copy, and scale in 1D, 2D, and 3D. So firstly, to move, it's as simple as selecting an object and dragging it around. This isn't as accurate as you might think, especially when you're using it in perspective mode, because you can never be too certain whether your object is going up in 3D space, in an angle in 3D space, or if it's just going on one plane. So a better way to move is to use the move command, which in the toolbar it's this icon, move, or you can type in move into the command line and press enter. Now depending on what tabs you got selected in the standard toolbar, if you have end selected, you can select all the ends of an object. This is my favorite way of moving an object. So I'll click an end and you can move it about wherever you would like. To rotate an object, it works in much the same way. This is the icon in the toolbar, or you can type in rotate in the command line. And rotating is as simple as choosing where the center point is and choosing the radius at which you would like to rotate it. So I can now rotate it in this entire circle, and I'll just put it here. To copy is this icon in toolbar, copy, or type in copy into the command line, select the object, right click to confirm that is the object you would like to move. And when you're copying, it copies multiple times, and you choose when you want it to stop by pressing enter or right click. I'll press right click right now, and as you can see, the command disables itself, and we now have 5 boxes. I'll just delete those, and to delete, all you simply have to do is type D into the keyboard, and in the command line the delete comes up, and you press right click or enter to confirm. Now to scale, scaling is just as easy as moving, rotating, and deleting. It is this command in the toolbar, scale, and if you click it and hold it down, the scale toolbar comes up, and you have here scale 1D, 2D, and 3D. Firstly 1D, you select the object, confirm that is the object you want to scale, choose from where to where you want to scale, and you can scale along. Or again, you can shorten it. To repeat the command you just used, you can do a right click, and it goes back to the last used command. So the last used command was scale, and you see the command line is asking me to select objects to scale. So this is the object I would like to scale, enter, and you can shorten it just as you did extend it. Or if you are working within specific units and you want to extend it to, let's say, 500 millimeters, you can select it and type in 500 and enter, and it's being extended to 500 milliliters because that is the unit I'm working within. Now we'll just Control Z to go back to the original object and show you how scaling in 2D works. It works in the same way as 1D. You select the object, confirm it, and as you can see, the object is getting wider and longer at the same time. I'll just Control Z that. And finally, scaling in 3D. Select the object, confirm, select from where you'd like to scale it, and as you can see, this time it's getting higher, wider, and longer at the same time. And there we have it. These are the basic commands in Rhino. Very nice and simple and intuitive. Everything you want to do, you can type into the keyboard, or if you prefer, you can select from the command toolbar. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. Thank you for viewing a Rhino tutorial. Thank you for viewing a Rhino tutorial. And this confirms the basic commands tutorial, and thank you for coming to our website to view it. And this concludes the basic commands tutorial. Thank you for watching this Rhino tutorial.